Good morning, everyone. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Inform your friends to join this lecture immediately, as this is the laboratory. I'll tell you the certain, say, theoretical part of the lab. Later on, I may conduct, say, lab partially or fully, conducting any of the experiment from the list. So ask your friends to join immediately, because while say calculating the score, I'll definitely check the attendance. And those who are not present, I several times declare this. Those who are not present, I'll consider those students have not performed the experiment, and I'll ask them to perform again. And score will be of course less if you are performing, say, not performing in regular, say, classes or lab. Well, so we'll start here. Only 48, 46 students are there. So inform other students that strict action will be taken if you're not attending this lecture. So I'll start with the lecture here. This is the lecture number 6, and we'll try to complete experiment number 4 here, along with, of course, theoretical part. So here I will share my screen. Okay, is PPT visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Okay, now today we will be looking at a topic which is already covered in the image processing lecture, DIP lecture, which is nothing but the image filtering. There are several types of filter used for several purposes while operating on the image. So whatever the experiment that we are conducting today, that is experiment number 4, and in that this is the instruction, or this is the type of filter F spatial. We'll see this filter. It creates spatial 2D filters. Syntax is of actually it is of one type, but it is shown in two different ways. That is H is equal to F spatial type of the filter. But in addition to, you can see here is also H is equal to F spatial type comma parameter. If you want to provide certain input parameters to this filter, you may. Otherwise, it will take default whatever the default parameter is available. Again, one major thing of this H, which is the filter created, supports only class double. We already seen in earlier lecture there are several types of classes of the image, like uint 8, then int 8, uint 16, int 16, single, double, likewise. So this filter only supports the class double. Now some description of this is H is equal to, this is the syntax of course, F spatial creates a two-dimensional filter H, 2D filter create करता है of the specified type. We'll see what are the types later on in the next PPT. F spatial returns H, that is values of H, as a correlation kernel, which is the appropriate form to use with IM filter. There is an instruction im filter, IM filter. So before using IM filter, we need to create a filter first, filter H. So it will be appropriately used with emFilter. So type is a string having one of these values. Second is just one thing is a parameter is there. So h is equal to f special in bracket type comma parameter. Accept a filter type plus additional modifying parameter, if any, of course, particular to the type of the filter chosen. Means if you have, say, uh, you want filtering masks of size 3 by 3, then of some other size, you can put the arguments here into the parameter for, say, it is an external input, we can say. And if it is not used, then it is a default values are used. If you omit these arguments, f special uses default values for the parameter. Now, like there are, we'll see into the MATLAB how to use this. Like we have values like average, disk, Gaussian, Laplacian, log, motion, privet, Sobel, unsharp. These are the type of filters. So these are the values. If I write h is equal to f special in bracket average, then it will be of averaging filter with default value of 3 by 3 matrix. Then if you use disks, it will be Gaussian low pass filter. Then Gaussian word use karoge, it will be again Gaussian low pass filter. So these are the different filters for which the values from this table may be used. Wherein today we will be looking at the averaging filter only. And later on in the experiment 8, we'll be looking at privet, Sobel, and unsharp filter in a single program. Okay, so these are the values. Now just fast forward, I will go through the description. Today we are focusing on averaging filter only. The following list shows the syntax of for each type of filter where applicable. Additional parameter are also shown. Now, so first syntax h is equal to f special average comma h size returns an averaging filter h of size h size. The argument h size can be a vector specifying the number of rows and columns in the h, or it can be a scalar, in which case h is a square matrix. The default value for h size is 3 by 3. We already seen this parameter jo hai h size is default 3 by 3. If you don't use this, if you omit this, if you only write h is equal to f special in bracket average, then another filter is h is equal to f special disk and parameter is radius. Return a circular averaging filtering pillbox. ये हम बाद में देखने वाले हैं, but I'll read the statement. Within the square matrix of size of side 2 into radius plus 1. The default radius is 5. Similarly, Gaussian को दो पैरामीटर देने पड़ते हैं. One is h size and sigma. Returns a rotationally symmetric Gaussian low pass filter of size s size with standard deviation of sigma, that is positive always. S size can be a vector specifying number of row and column as earlier stated in H, or it can be a scalar, which is a square matrix. The default value of S size is of course 3 by 3 and the sigma is 0.5. Similarly, for Laplacian filter, the value is Laplacian, but parameter is alpha. It returns 3 by 3 filter approximate the shape of the two-dimensional Laplacian operator. The parameter alpha control the shape of the Laplacian and must be in the range of 0 to 1. And the default is 0.2. Similarly, log filter, it needs h size parameter and the sigma, where returns a rotationally symmetric Laplacian Gaussian filter of size s size with standard deviation sigma, which is positive. S size is vector of specifying the number of row and column, or it can be a scalar in which H is a square matrix. And the default size is 5 by 5. Please remember here, log filter default size is 5 by 5. Earlier we have seen it is, and sigma is 0.5. Again, one more filter is there. Value is motion, length, and theta. This filter returns a filter to approximate one convolved with an image. The linear motion of the camera by length pixels with an angle of theta degrees, in degrees of course, counterclockwise direction. The filter becomes a vector for horizontal and vertical motion. The default length is 9 and the default theta is 0, which correspond to the horizontal motion of 9 pixel. We will be looking at these instruction in further experiment. Today will not focus. Today we'll see averaging, and this 3 will be again covered in the experiment number 8. So similarly, we will again repeat this concept while we will be performing experiment number 8. So it pre-bit filter returns 3 by 3 filter as shown below, 1 1 1 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is the matrix 3 by 3. It is a filter that emphasize horizontal edges by approximating a vertical gradient. If you need emphasize vertical edges, transpose the filter H. इसका transpose लिया तो you will get vertical edges. Suppose in certain image you wanted to identify horizontal edges or the vertical edges, you may use a pre-bit filter. But whatever the matrix shown is for the horizontal edges, if you take a transpose of this, you will get a vertical edges. To find vertical edges or for X derivatives using H. Then Sobel is also 3 by 3 filter as shown below. It is 1 to 1 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is the filter mask of Sobel that emphasize horizontal edges using smoothing effect. ये sharp देंगे. Here it will be smoothing effect approximate by vertical gradient. If you need emphasis on vertical edges, then transpose of this matrix is used. And another is unsharp last value or type. It returns 3 by 3 unsharp contrast enhancement filter. Look what is the job of this contrast enhancement. F spatial create the unsharp filter form a negative of Laplacian filter with parameter alpha. Alpha controls the shape of the Laplacian and must be in the range of 0 to 1. The default value of alpha is 0.2. Now you can see here name is unsharp. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Name is unsharp, but don't get confused with name unsharp. It will be sharpening the image, though the name is unsharp. Do not confuse by the name of the filter. An unsharp filter is an image sharpening operator. Filter का नाम unsharp है, but it will sharp the image. The name comes from a publishing industry process in which an image is sharpened by subtracting blur image. एक sharp image में से blurred image subtract करते हैं, and that image is unsharp. That's why the name is unsharp. Version of the image form itself. Okay, let's try this. We'll see this. What is done here? One image is read, that is cameraman.tif, and then it is shown with image title original image. Then a filter is created, that is F spatial motion. We have seen the syntax. This is for an example. We have seen the syntax here. Motion के लिए क्या use किया है? Do I have that? Laplacian motion, that is len, length, and theta. So you can see here, this is len, which is 20, theta is 45, default is 0 if we don't write. And then this image is motion blurred. Cameraman.tf you have seen several times. This image is motion blur with im filter कौन सा यूज किया है? this h which already having value motion with len and theta applied on I, this h applied on I, and this is this image will be shown here. Another filter is created which is disk में क्या है? radius of course, and blurred image, this is motion blurred and this is normal. Blurred image is created with disk by using the filter H, and then unsharp filter is used, and by using unsharp filter the image is sharpened. im filter के साथ ये filter जो create कर रहे हैं हम H वाला, that has to be created. This im filter function alone will not work. Means im filter, you can see im filter in bracket I is original image on which this H is applied. So here in first part, here your H is what? Motion filter. In second part, H is what? Is disk filter. And in third part here, it is a unsharp or sharpening filter. So we'll see this code. We'll run this code. I'm sorry. In the MATLAB. I lost my PPT. Okay. So I'll use this code into the MATLAB directly. I have MATLAB open here. Instead of creating M file, I directly paste it. As I pasted somewhere, string is not terminated properly. Which string is not terminated properly? Let me see, because while I copied and pasted on PPT, there might be semicolon is not there somewhere. Instead, what I will do, I'll write I is equal to imread in bracket cameraman in single quote of course, cameraman dot tif, bracket close. So have I made any mistake here? Imread cameraman.tif, cameraman.tif. I is equal to imread let me clear all. Line number 349 is not available here. What happening here?
The spelling.
Yes.
सर कैमरामैन आर के बाद में ए चाहिए ना सर?
Yes. The name is spelling mistake is there. Yes. So cameraman is read. So I'll write here figure, comma, im show in bracket I. Original cameraman, you know how it looks. This is the original cameraman, which is now shown. Later on, I will create a filter. I have to go back here. I'll create a filter with this instruction, that is motion. So here I created a filter. You can see here the filter is created, this one. Don't go into the values because it is applying an algorithm there. If you see the file, here is the file, and you can see you will find the values between 0 to 1 because it is of type double. Let's go here. Another one, I'll apply this filter on image I. So applied this. So why here something is not terminated properly, it shows. Undefined I. Okay, we used I, small I. So this filter is applied here. Let's see what happened. And I'm interested in this motion blur image, the output. So I'll again write figure. Why we need to write figure? Can anybody? If I don't write figure, what happened? Let's see whether we get
Infinite.
yes. If I don't write figure, then what happened? कैसे नाम था उसका? मोशन का M कैपिटल ब्लर. Im show BLUR bracket. Yes, why we are writing figure comma there? So you can see this image is the motion blur. This is an original image, and by applying filter, this is the motion blurred image. Is it visible? Am I going fast? Because I know due to some network problem, it may appear somewhat delayed at your end. So I kept figure 2 here, which is a motion blurred image of cameraman. You can see on your device. I'll come back to the original now. This is the original image of cameraman. Now another, I wanted to apply disk filter. So I'll use this one and I'll create. This is not necessary to use H later there, but this is the standard format. So here I created new filter disk with radius 10. If I don't use, radius will be default 5. I think we already learned this. So previous जो H के parameter है, that will go say vanish, and new parameters will be there in H because I define new filter with disk radius 10. So new filter is created here. Now I will apply the same with Im filter, and this image will be blurred. Now this filter will be blurred. So this filter is created for blurring the image, not a motion blurred. It is just blurred. Again, I small for cameraman. So now it is red. Then I will go again for the figure show. And what was now? Name was, it is BLURRED, B small. So I'll write here BLURRED, blurred. And you can see this image is not motion blurred. The pixel itself is blurred at the same place. Move nahi hua jagah se. You can change the radius and you can see what happened. So I'll create disk again with radius say default whatever, and then again I will use Im show blurred. So blurred your level hai, that changes here. Let's see some another which can be visible properly. I'll take it 1, radius is 1. Radius is 1. So H is created, and now I will apply a filter. Im filter हमने लिया ही नहीं था, आपने बताया नहीं. Now I applied a filter and now I will show the image. You can see radius 1 लिया है. The image is slightly blurred now. If I increase blur value बढ़ जाएगी. Come back to the disk. Default value is 5, so I'll not keep something here. So 5, then I'll go for the filtering to the image, and then again I will show this same image. So figure show. So what I use here default, so it was 5 value, 10 value के साथ और blur हुआ था. So this is the blurred, and then I'll go for the F spatial filter with unsharp. Apply this unsharp. So I used string not terminated properly. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आया था ना, while copying h is equal to f spatial in bracket unsharp. There is something here is dash. Yes, so this is unsharp with default value, and now I will apply this on the filter. So I'll write here sharp sharp im filter I comma h. So original image I, which is cameraman, on which this unsharp filter will be applied. It is applied now, and I will show this filtered image, that is sharp sharp. So you can see the image, it is a sharpen image. So this type of operations can be performed. Now with this theoretical background of the image filters, here I will go with the experiment number 4, which is based on the image filtering. So I cleared all the previous data from the MATLAB. So experiment number 4 is to perform spatial filtering. I made 3 parts here. I have experiment number 4, and यहाँ पे 5 लिखा है, but it is a 4. I will use low pass filtering and high pass filtering separate. I have 2 different programs for high pass and low pass. So we'll first go through this. I'll explain the instructions here. So CLC, for clearing the screen, close all for clearing, closing all previous windows may be open, like figure windows may be open. Clear all for clearing all the previous data जो workspace में था earlier वो. So first task is low pass filter or smoothing operation. Low pass filter is always smooth the image. So I read one image, which is I is equal to imread cameraman.tif. Then this image is converted into double form, into double, because our filter h, which will be created, is nothing but of double form. So this image I is converted into double form, which is im to double. Okay, like if I read this image, I will show the difference into the command window. I read this image cameraman.tif. I matrix is created here, matrices. We'll see. You can see it is having 256 by 256 with unsigned integer 8. Means value of intensity is available from 0 to 255. Let's see what happened if I go for im to double. So I will run this instruction now. I created an image that is performed on I im to double, entered, then J is created. And let's see what is J. Now J is also 250 by 256 by 256 double type. You can see all the intensity ranges into this matrix from say 0 to m by n. All are having range between 0 to 1. not beyond 0 to 1. So this is of type double. So again, coming back to the program, now one filter is created. हमने h नहीं लिखा. I already stated that not necessary h लिखना ही है. That is the syntax. So I'm creating a low pass filtering mask, which is f low, which is equal to f special, which value it is average, and 3 means it will be 3 by 3. And then I wanted to apply this filter, averaging filter. Averaging filter is nothing but a low pass filter. Low pass filter is nothing but a smoothing operation. So I'll apply this filter on the image J, which is having double data type. This image J is having double data type, as well as this filter flow having double data type. So mathematical calculations will be proper. And then I am applying this filter on J, and I'll get low pass filtered image, say I underscore LPF, and which can be obtained by im filter function. Im filter J is the original image, comma flow is the filter, average filter applied, and I subplotted that with the name original image and low pass filtered image. Then go for the high pass filtering. For high pass filtering, it is called what? Sharpening operation. If you go for low pass, it will smooth the image. If you go for high pass, it will sharp the image. You already studied this concept in the digital image processing. I know that. So another filter element is created, a filter mask is created. यहाँ पे f low किया था. I use f high. You may go for fh. आपको जो नाम देना है, f underscore h. So f underscore high will be equal to, this mask is directly given 1 1 1, sorry, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 8 minus 1, weight is 0, of course, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So it is 3 by 3 mask is created. And then filtered image I underscore high pass filtered image will be equal to im filter J पे अप्लाई करना है, और f underscore high ये वाला filter mask अप्लाई करना है. So here I HPF is the new high pass filtered image. I subplotted that with the name IHPF, that is high pass filter, and sharpening उसे name दिया है. So low pass is smoothing, high pass is sharpening. Let's see, run this code and let's see you are getting that or not. So you can see the first one, left hand side image is the original image. Second is smooth image, which is due to the low pass filtering. And last one, third one on the right hand side is sharp image, sharp due to the high pass filtering. You can see high pass filtering में क्या होता है, edges are separated, you can see, and smoothing में edge अगर दिख भी रहे तो उसे थोड़ा सा mix हो जाता है, smooth. So this is how we have high pass and low pass filter. We will go into another experiment of the same type, creating mask and everything. So like I have experiment number, again I'll say this is not 5, this is 4, and to perform low pass filter in frequency domain, वो जो था वो point operation था. So frequency domain, so what is done, all clear, close all and CLC. Then I read one image, that is A is equal to cameraman.tif. I wanted to know the size of this image, thereby because I'm working in the frequency domain here, so I need to find rows and columns. We know 256 by 256 hai, we know that, but it must be known to the system. MATLAB में जो intermediate calculations होते हैं, for that. So m comma, sorry, in square bracket mn equal to size of A, it will provide you the size of A. Then mask create करना है for low pass filter, mask will be equal to zeros in bracket m comma n. ये सभी जो values है उसके लिए हमें mask create करना है, creating low pass filter mask. So for that यहाँ पे क्या किया है, instead of providing direct input, externally I'm giving the cutoff frequency for filtering. So x is equal to input enter the cutoff frequency. ये command आएगा, it will ask for the cutoff frequency. I may give the range between 0 to 255, say 10, 50, 100, 110 likewise. How it is created? I'll give you the simple example here. For that I need, so whatever is the size, I'll take a blank PPT here. Okay, then pointer pin. So here the cutoff frequency is entered, suppose say that is say 50. I have suppose image of say 100 by 100. यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो कैमरा मैन है that is of 256 by 256, but I am using 100 by 100, means you will be having image like this. It is a square having 100 pixels in this side and 100 pixels in this side. Okay, let's go to the program again. What is written? And size अगर लोगे हम m is equal to size, what will happen? It will show you the size. For the example I'm quoting, it is size is 100 by 100. Then हमें mask zeros m comma n, ये mask create करना है. Zero means सभी zero करने हैं जितने ये mask के अंदर आते हैं. For that enter the cutoff frequency. I entered suppose cutoff frequency not 50, I will whatever 50 we can take. For I is equal to m by 2 minus x and m by 2 plus x. So x हमने cutoff frequency लिया है. Let's come to the presentation. So this is the cutoff frequency which is x. And mask कैसे create किया है? For I कितना? I is equal to m by 2. m कितना है? m is 100. So m by 2 इसका है m by 2, that will be 50. Instead 50 I will take it 30, so that calculation आपको दिखने को, because 50 minus 50 it will be 0. आपको कुछ अलग values दिखाने. So x is 30. So m by 2 means m is suppose this 100. 100 by 2 is what? 50. 50 minus x, it will be what? 20. Pixel number 20 say leke this one 20. Then another is what? I is equal to m by 2 minus x up to m by 2 plus x. M by 2 is 50. 100 minus 2 is 50. 100 divided by 2, sorry. Plus 30. So it will be 80. So somewhat here is the 21th pixel suppose, and here is say 80th pixel. Somewhat here. Somewhat difficult to use mouse. So this range. Similarly j, for j is equal to, j क्या रहेगा? It is what? n by 2 minus x up to n by 2 plus x. So again it will be of 20. You can change the formula if you want to change the 20 to 80 again. So somewhere here ये 20 and here 80. Later on I'll come back, and what it says, mask ij is equal to 1. जितना भी हमें values I और j के मिले हैं, that will be equal to 1. So coming back here, this part I'll shade. This part, shaded part, will be 1. 1 means what? 1 means white. 1 means white. And remaining part will be zeros. That is black. Let's come here. So ये mask create हो रहा है. And as we are working with, am I audible? Am I with you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. Please interrupt me, or if I'm not able to say, if you are not able to hear me, then you may directly call on my mobile or send WhatsApp. Okay, because due to network problem it may happen and I can't identify. So ये हुआ है, what we are doing here, low pass filter के लिए mask create किया है, and mask ij will be equal to 1. ये हमें mask दे रहा है this part. यहाँ पे image read हुई है, here image size समझिए हमें, because हमें ये operate करना है. m by n सभी zeros करना है, सभी zero कर दिए हैं, means black, but out of that I comma j जो है उसे masking किया है white के साथ. 1 means white. Now ये होने के बाद हमें you already learn into the DIP that FFT लेना है, so that we can go for the frequency domain operation. So see FFT2 of A, ये जो इनपुट इमेज है कैमरामैन उसका FFT लिया है. देन D शिफ्ट FFT शिफ्ट ऑफ मास्क. ये मास्क जो है उसे शिफ्ट करना है टेकिंग FFT ऑफ द मास्क. Then convolution in frequency domain multiplication we can say. So new matrices is formed, that is E is equal to C dot star D. So multiplication in frequency domain. ये दोनों का जो हमने फिल्टर क्रिएट किया था D और इमेज क्रिएट की है C, डायरेक्ट इमेज नहीं ले सकते हैं, 50 लिया है बिकॉज ऑफ frequency domain. So these two are in frequency domain, are multiplied together. Then values may be random. So I took absolute value of this E. So you can see F is equal to ABS in bracket IFFT. IFFT means inverse FFT. उसको फिर से transform किया है time domain. IFFT2 of this E. Absolute value लेना जरूरी है, else you will not get read. And then I'll subplot what? Original image A. I'll subplot what? This image. New image कौन सा है? F है, लेकिन F क्या है? F is now matrix. So matrix to gray करना है. So जो F है, I converted into the matrix to gray. You can see this part of the program. Mat to gray of F. नहीं तो ये image नहीं consider किया जाएगा. So this will be low pass filtered image. Then third किया है show mask, show किया है. कौन सा mask? This mask IJ1 वाला. And fourth show किया है same subplot पे, that is shifted mask. FFT कहाँ हो गया? FFT taking FFT of the mask, that is FFT shift mask. ये भी show किया है. Now you will be looking on the figure, original image, low pass filtered image in frequency domain, mask and FFT mask. So I'll run this if I hope you understood this, and I'll run this now. So it is asking for what? It is asking for enter the filtering frequency, cutoff frequency. I'll enter 50, 50, क्योंकि input user से देना है 50. Look at this. ये हमने बात किया था. This is the original image. I may not use highlighter here. Can I? Can I use highlighter? No. No. Okay, let's come to the pointer. So this is original image, this one. Then this is mask created. M by N जो है पूरा का पूरा means 256 by 256, उसे 0 कर दिया था. M by N mask M by N is equal to zeros, पूरा 0 कर दिया था, means black कर दिया था. Later on we ask for the cutoff frequency जो हमने 30 प्लेस की थी for example, and for that I और J के values, that is 20 to 80 in both the directions. ये है वो बीच में जो white square दिख रहा है, that are converted to white, that is equal to 1. So you can see here the black and white filter mask is created. Now it is converted into the frequency domain. Mask after FFT ये वाला बन गया है, like a plus sign in black, remaining corners are white. And ये mask, this जो bottom right में है, is applied on the original image which is on left top, and we get low pass value filtered image, which is of course smooth image. You can see it is the right hand side top corner. It is a smooth image. Any question? I heard some voice. So it is low pass filtering in frequency domain. You have to use FFT and IFFT while applying or while operating in frequency domain on an image. So if you have any question on this, I'll wait for a minute, else I will go for the high pass filter in frequency domain, and your experiment number 4 will be over here. Only 96 people are there into the meeting. These 96, I'll consider these 96 people have performed the experiment. Okay, now I will go for the next, that is for high pass. Similar logic is there, so I'll not go say slow in this way. So clearing all the data. Before going for that, I'll show you the I and J value. I value I have 178, J value is also 178. वो जो square बन गया था उसके pixel size. So here now high pass filter in the frequency domain, which is of course experiment number 4 itself. This was also 4. So clear and close all mandatory instruction that we used here. Then cameraman is read here. Size is taken. That will be of course 256 by 256. मास्क यहाँ पे उल्टा क्रिएट करना है. मास्क हमने प्रीवियस में क्या किया था, लो पास में मास्क इज इक्वल टू जीरोस m कॉमा n. हियर इन हाई पास फिल्टर mask is equal to 1's m comma n. To remember this concept, it will be say 0 is low than 1. Am I correct? अगर लेवल देखना है तो 0 is at low, 1 is at high. So mask create करते वक्त in low pass filter mask is equal to 0's m comma n. In high pass filter mask is equal to 1's m comma n. ये ध्यान रखना है. Creating high pass filter mask. Then enter the cutoff frequency जैसे हमने उसमें 50 दी थी. Here I will use some frequency. Then I have to create say a mask for filtering. So again same logic, m by 2 minus x, m by 2 plus x. You may change this logic, not necessary कि यही लेना है. Accordingly your output image result will change. Okay, and it is dependent on the application where you are using. Then J, and what we did mask ij is 0. earlier इसमें 1 किया था. means here if we talk, ये यही हमने एग्जांपल अगर कंसिडर किया, x is 30, 100 by 100 की साइज है इमेज की, 20 to 80 i है, 20 to 80 j है, एंड देन इसे ब्लैक करने को बोला है बिकॉज कंप्लीट स्क्वायर जो था 100 by 100 का दैट वाज व्हाइट. मास्क इज इक्वल टू 1's m comma n. ये पूरा व्हाइट था, आउट ऑफ विच वी फाउंड और वी रोट सम लॉजिकल algorithm depending on application, and ये जो मिले हैं हमने पिक्सल, that is now dark, these are black, these pixels are black. So कैसा दिखेगा, एक पूरे white स्क्वायर में छोटा सा अंदर ब्लैक स्क्वायर दिखेगा आप अगर रन करोगे तो. So this is created. Then again ये इमेज जो है ये इसे हमें FFT लेना है for working in frequency domain. Same values, FFT of A. Then mask को shift करना है to take FFT. So D FFT shift mask, taking FFT of mask. Then multiplication in frequency domain, E is equal to C dot star D. And then absolute value of this E in inverse FFT form is taken here. You may go on one by one, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. If you do say E के बाद हमने किया है E G is equal to IFFT to E, and then absolute value of G is equal to F. ऐसे भी किया तो चलता है. यहाँ पे दो काम एक साथ किए हैं, IFFT E का लिया है, साथ में absolute value भी लिए हैं. You may separate these two operations, no worry about that. And F. Similarly in earlier experiment we had title image, original image show किया है, then high pass filtered image show किया है, then mask show किया है, फिर FFT mask show किया है. So let me run this. It is asking for entering the cutoff frequency, say I'll say 70 here. So as I mentioned, this left of corner is an original image. उस पे नाम लिखा है, ऐसे मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. Is an original image. Mask created for high pass filtering. You can see a big white square in which we have small black square. exact opposite to low pass. And then here FFT shift करने के बाद for mask you have a plus type of image in white, corners black, small 4 black corners. And once this FFT shifted mask is applied on this original image, then we'll get high pass filter image. You can see the edges are there, that is sharpening of the image. I'll see the cutoff I'll change the cutoff frequency so that you will find I'll use 10 यूज किया था, देखो 10 यूज किया इसलिए फिल्टर मास्क बदल गया है, filter mask is changed. And later on here the age are also different. I'll use another value of say 150 lastly, and I'll enter something range problem is there, so 110. Yes, you can see the mask and the high pass filtered image. Why 150 is not working? Because go for the calculation, maybe there is a problem. It is 256 by 256 image is there. What is half of 256? 128. Half of 256, you may use m by n or n by n. And minus 150, is it possible? It is not possible in say MATLAB because it will be minus number. 128 plus 150 is possible, but it is also going beyond range 255. So you can say these are the invalid terms. These are the invalid terms. इसीलिए यहाँ पे जब हमने ये ऑपरेशन किया था, after running this and whenever I am putting say 150, there is an error. But if I use 128, it is also not 128 minus 128, it will be again 0. Let's see 127 and try. It is working. It is working now. This is the mask created. So whatever the cutoff frequency you are entering, we can conclude here, whatever the cutoff frequency you are entering shall not be more than m by 2 for this particular program. Okay, if you change this formula, then of course it may change, but for this m by 2 value जो भी आता है, your cutoff frequency should be less than that. So 128 से कम ही होना चाहिए, then and then only your this will work, else it will not. So is it clear to all of you? Yes, any questions? I'll wait for 1 minute. Yes, any questions? Any questions? अरे अवेक और स्लीपिंग? खाना पीना हो चुका है, 2:15 से 3:15 लेक्चर है, मस्त सोए हुए। Am I audible?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much for your reply.
Yes.
Yes. Who is speaking? I want to speak. I want to say something. Yes, Prajwal, Rohit. Okay. Okay. Whatever we discussed today, understood or not? I want answer for this. I don't want to ask any question, or I don't want any question from your side. If any, you can, but I know you don't ask. Is it okay? Understood everything, whatever we discussed today? Those who are attending lecture seriously?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
In next lecture on next Thursday, we'll be looking at the uh, some theoretical part uh, uh, of course, filter, paper and salt filter removal. We'll see. Of course, we'll be using their Privet Sobel or maybe Unchop, some another filter. As well, I will be looking at DFT and DFT on images. Okay, Vikrant. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.